In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up inventory in MoPub for your Google Play application. And to do that, we'll go into inventory and we're going to click add a new app. Note that the way you do this is much the same depending whether it's iOS or Android. You just put in slightly different information. So in Android, we're going to type in the name. And to get the package name, you look up your application on Google Play, and the bit after ID and before the ampersand is the bit you need. So we're going to just copy that, and then we're going to paste that in there. We're going to select a category for our application. So in this case, we're just going to go with social networking. And we're going to decide that this particular app is not targeted at 13-year-olds or younger. This is a very quick way of getting rid of some of the adverts that might be targeted at the older audience. So just have a read through those and decide whether you want to go for yes or no. And then you can upload your application icon. iOS is awesome because it actually copies the icon in there for you. So in this case, just to be able to do this quickly, I'm going to take a copy of my image. That's awesome. Then I'm going to go to create the ad unit. So in this case, it's for a phone, and I want it to match my iOS installation. So I'm going to go with full screen. You can also go with the medium or the banner size. So the banner are the tiny ones at the bottom. At the moment, I think the full screen have the most impact. It could be a video as well if it's full screen like that. And then you'll name the ad so that you can understand what it is when it comes through in the advertising. Remember that if you call them both full screen ad in iOS and in Google Play, that you won't, in some reports you won't see which one is which, but you will be able to quickly add them up and go, okay, I know which one is coming from where. In our case, we're going to go with portrait, and then you can also cap frequency. So if you don't want this advert to show too often, you can say, well, I only want to show it once an hour, for example, so it doesn't bug your users too much. When you're done, click Save. And then you're going to copy the ad unit ID, this one here, and send that to the 6.5 team to implement in your application. Just remember that the current 6.5 platform only supports one ad code per platform. That means that this is the only advert that we're going to be able to show inside of this application.